Kawneer has strong focus on product transparency. So we have environmental product declaration, which is the carbon footprint of the product. We also have declare label, which talks about the ingredient transparency, and we publish all that on our website. These are third-party verified information listed for architects and building designer to review and utilize as they look to design their building. From the product carbon footprint point of view, which is EPD, what we have noticed is the source of aluminum or the carbon footprint of aluminum has the highest impact on the end EPD number. And so the type of aluminum used to produce our product has the highest amount of impact on the environmental product declaration of our product. Hence, we have invested in improving the specification for the type of aluminum we buy so that it improves the EPD or the environmental product declaration of our product. We work with our billet supplier to understand the amount of recycled content as well as the source of primary aluminum in the billets we purchase, and we obtain that certificate of analysis which basically validates the amount of recycled content as well as where the prime aluminum is coming, which determines the carbon footprint of the billet we are buying. And then we use that information along with our manufacturing processes, which is Scope 1 and Scope 2, to figure out our overall product carbon footprint along with the other materials we buy. We have minimum 50% recycled content in our billet, and the remaining primary aluminum coming in from hydroelectric smelter or clean energy powered smelter. So which gives us a combined overall carbon footprint of less than 3 tons of carbon per ton of aluminum. You can download one-pager from our website which guides you on the language around the low carbon aluminum billet to add into the project specification.